I'm being harassed by the Stadies. They fucking with a nigga. I'm probably like 60 on them. They ain't gonna try to pull me over type shit. Like, they be harassing me, dog. Like, damn. I just got off of work, nigga. I'm fucking tired. Like, why the fuck? And niggas will follow me all the way, halfway home. Just to fuck with me, dog. I'm in this motherfucking Dodge. Shit, I be like, damn. And they like, he's like, staying behind me. Like, bro, I know what the fuck you are, bro. Like, come on, man. Niggas be harassing me. Nobody else, nigga. Like going across the street with that nigga is, nigga, on dogs, nigga. I be chilling for real, nigga. Mind my business. I can't be driving in peace, nigga. He right there, nigga. See his blue ass lights. He thought he was slick. He pulled out his station. And they stay behind me, bro. They like, oh my God. The only thing they're trying to run my plate. See if, nigga, I got insurance. All this shit stolen. Like, these niggas be following me. This is the second time. Like, damn, nigga, you scared to go? I would've been out. He would not be catching me. He know he can't catch me, nigga. But yeah, man. But yeah, it's a POV. As I told y'all, I get harassed. I know they doing their job and shit. But damn, if I'm the only car at 257, they might zoom in. I'm sorry. If I'm the only car at 257, I just got off of work. Damn, fucking potholes, nigga. Like, you should be on the other side. The fuck? Not doing none of that shit. Like, fucking with me and shit. But I'm leaving his ass, though. I should leave his ass. Be a dickhead, nigga, on dogs, nigga. Cause they go follow me until I'm halfway. Then he go somewhere else. Or he might just probably try and pull me over. And just fuck with me. If I do get pulled, this camera is staying the fuck on. I'm dead ass, like. All jokes aside, nigga. It's not fucking with me like that. And they see if I'm gonna stop at the red light type shit. Like, come on, bro. You can't be bored. I think that's like 2 something, bro. You on my tip, nigga. One time I don't go to the gas station and get a motherfucking receipt. I get a cop behind me, a state trooper, bro. Like, what the fuck? And this nigga is not letting up. Like, he's not letting up. He's staying behind, like, behind me. And it's like, damn. And I think my phone's off, too. I don't really know, but I'm gonna put the phone down. Cause he getting a little close. I don't know what he's trying to do, but he's getting a little close. I'm going 48, 47. Not too fast. Cause, nigga, I'm tired as fuck. Like, nigga, my gas on 59. Nigga, I would have been zooming. This is the only job that I can't be zoomed down the fucking street. Cause niggas like to follow me. Like, this nigga is literally, like, if you see the light, he's following me, nigga. Like, but you can see the inside in the car a little bit. Cause it's not tense. Well, it's tinted, but it's not too dark when they fuck with you and shit. Now I'm on 58, nigga. I'm definitely gonna need some gas, bro. I was trying to zoom the whole way, can't zoom the whole way. It'd be crazy if I put the camera down and shit. They start fucking with me. For real. But I'm gonna get back to y'all just in case something happened. Dogs. Like, this nigga is following me like dogs. Like, he stayed behind me the whole time. Until I get off the exit, dog, this nigga staying behind me the whole time. Like, he really, like, this nigga gotta be fucking bored, bro. Like, damn, my nigga. Like, get off my dick, nigga. You just wanna see how fast I go. It'd be wrong if I outrun the pole out the stadiums, nigga. I'd be gone, nigga. Fuck that, nigga. I'm going straight down. Turning like a motherfucker, like. And when I'm speeding a little bit, he coming. He coming, like, he coming. Like, that nigga coming, nigga. Yo, go on the other side, bro. Damn, bro. If I was a beat out car, bro, I would not be getting no attention, bro. What the fuck? Bro, it's a POV of a steady on my back, nigga. On my back, nigga. He's really on my back. Until I do one motherfucking 80 on him. Then plus a 20. Fuck you, me. Yo, you better be out, nigga. Oh, this nigga is following me, dog. This nigga's bored. Niggas is fucking bored. Why you pull over and talk to your boys? Like, I know he's on the phone like, yeah, I'm behind this motherfucker. He think he could get away. Officer Adam, move. Steady Adam, get the fuck out my way. Now, right? Now, check this out. If I get on this highway, nigga, and this nigga come behind me, oh, yeah, this nigga's bored. Yeah, that nigga's bored as fuck. Cause, nigga, I'm not going this way. Let me see what he do. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, you can't come behind me now. Oh, he coming. He trying to come behind me, bro. Yo, he really is, bro. This nigga's following me, bro. Yo, what's up with this nigga, cuz? Yo, this nigga is bored, nigga. Like, Mo, what the fuck is wrong with you, dude? Yo, this nigga is bored. Like, bro, I never been followed all the way home like this, nigga. Like, this nigga is following me, nigga. Like, why are you following me, bro? Look at this nigga, bro. This nigga is following me. Everybody seen this, right? He's following me. He must like my car or something. Like, why the fuck are you following me, bro? And I'm in the slow lane, but going 62 though, but like, damn, like, I'm up like, why are you following me, bro? Out of all people, nigga, why are you following me, bro? Like, nigga, this nigga is following me, cuz. Nigga pulled me over, man. Say I ain't got no insurance, man. What the fuck, bro? This nigga was bored. I told you. What a night. Didn't even get home. So, they say I have insurance, but I have insurance. I'm gonna show y'all, but then he brought up, he said, yeah, we popped, yeah, I don't know, last month, whatever. It was like, he was like, oh, we pulled over a purple Dodge Charger. He said, wasn't you in there? I said, nigga, what? Nigga, my shit burgundy, nigga. You blind? But these niggas trying to act like I know the motherfucker or something, nigga. The fuck wrong with you, bro? He said, oh, I'm in your district. I was already in your district when I passed the state shit, bro. I'm already in your district, nigga. You just wanted to fuck with me, bro. You just want to see if I'm gonna get on the highway and cut the fuck up. But nah, he said, my phone, I don't know. I think my phone's off. I don't really know. My phone's off. Can't even pull up the shit, bro. I have to call my insurance, tell these niggas. But they on my back. They talking about my plate cover and shit. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? These niggas is bored. And shit, nigga. All types of shit, bro. What the fuck? But yeah, I'm going home. I could have been home. I'm gonna get home at the same usual fucking time, 3:30, nigga. been ass home.